Author and international trainer, Nicholas Hill.
You would take a particular system that has previously been functioning, meaning, and if it's functional, it means that it's operating processes, and now the processes are beginning to change because of internal or external environmental factors. So it's either happening to you, or there, as I said a moment ago, or it's something that you are instigating. It's happening to you, or you are instigating it. You unfreeze when you make it dynamic, or make systems or processes dynamic. What you do is you first of all, especially if you're instigating it, you recognize that there are, like we said earlier this morning, there are systems within systems, and you would have already predetermined which of the systems need to be addressed. So you are therefore pulling out of the larger systems which are redundant. So you might choose, let's say, these three, and then these three are subject to your change management discussion. Do we change by the way of replacing, or do we upgrade? Nevertheless, these are the ones that become dynamic, not everything else. Once you start making every system within the bigger picture dynamic, it becomes so much more difficult to sustain and to lead and manage. You've already decided in the planning change that these are the systems that need to be addressed. Now, how do you address them? And what do you in fact do if you are leading? Remember, leading the change is continual, isn't it? It's not just a one-time event. Consider it as the same as going to the gym. You can't expect to go to the gym once and radically transform your body. Test the ideas, the theory, the models, the suggestions, the proposals, and ask yourself whether or not this suggestion, let's say it's a suggestion that someone's put on the table, is going to be relevant. It's going to be supportive of the bigger picture. It's going to be, therefore, in alignment with the organizational vision. And it's something that you want. Is it something that you desire? Is it something that you need? You would trial this element of the software. Does it connect with my marketing software? You would trial it by the way of giving various team members the opportunity of usage, and then at the end of that usage you would ask them, did it pass the test? And they would say either yes or no and substantiate their reason. This is a software that we're going to buy, or this is the direction that we're going to take because this is the one that works. But then one of the stakeholders says, but does it do this? Oh no, we forgot to test for that. And then it's too late. Or you could just have to go back to the drawing board and then say to the team, I'm sorry, but we forgot to include this in the testing and operations. And now you've wasted a lot of time. All of this involves your input of resources, because this could take weeks to do. So you need to make sure that you check for understanding at this stage here.
Enroll on this masterclass now to influence your output, growth, change and culture. Enroll now at nicholashill.com or call 0345 678 9900.